Hey everyone, thanks for taking time out of your busy day today to join us and learn about our latest addition to our ATC AI Proving Ground environment. Today, we're going to show you guys a brand new environment we're getting ready to build that brings together Intel's 5th generation Xeon Scalable processor with its AMX or Advanced Matrix Extension component, built-in accelerator, along with Dell PowerEdge 16G, our 16th generation server, along with Red Hat OpenShift. Let's take a look at what we're building. All right, as you can see here, our technician's pulling the server out of the box, but once we get out of the box, let's take a look what's inside. Let's go take a look at the components that are inside this 16th generation server from Dell. What you can see here are the processors, 2 dual socket Intel 5th generation Xeon Scalable processors, along with a terabyte of memory. So 512 gigabytes of memory per processor will be available per node in our cluster. On the front of the server, what you can see is almost 10 terabytes of NVMe storage as well. When this gets brought into the cluster, we'll have 5 servers just like this. We'll have the chance for organizations and customers to take a look at and validate both Platinum and Gold series processors from Intel. Make sure you come back to the platform and check for the availability of this brand new AI reference kit, bringing together Intel, Dell, and Red Hat to a complete integrated solution, or reach out to your WWT account team for availability.